Hey guys, so in my last video I talked about Digistore24 and I kind of give you a beginner's guide to Digistore24 and showed you the different ways that you can do affiliate marketing on that platform. But in this video I want to go through a little bit more of a deep dive into the different types of traffic you can use and then give you some kind of resources that you can go ahead and grab straight away and start using to drive traffic to your various offers, right? So this is the point of this video, so stick around. I'm going to give you at least 50 places that you can go straight away and start getting traffic for your particular offers on Digistore24. So if you haven't been over to this channel before, guys, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you're interested in ways that you can make money online, go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new videos just like this one. And guys, if you're interested in building a business online, just check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. So here's the topics for today. I'll do a quick run through of Digistore24, so if you know all about that, you can skip that piece. I'll go through the various funnel types you can use. We'll talk through the traffic options, but I'll do them in a little bit more detail. And I'm going to throw in a bonus method at the end of the video that you can use really in conjunction with all of these other traffic methods that helps really drive lots and lots of different people to your particular offers and actually purchase. So guys, I'm over on Digistore24. Now I'm not going to do this in too much detail because my previous video actually went through this. But essentially what you need to do is you need to come up here and register. Once you're registered, there's various things that it'll ask you for, but the most important thing is your username. And what you'll need to do is make sure that that's a pretty generic username, because you may decide at a later date that you want to promote different types of things in different niches. So go ahead and make sure that's pretty generic. You can use anything here, just put any kind of product by 12 or something. And then what you'll find here is in your affiliate link, the product by 12, this tells the Digistore24 folks that somebody actually bought that product through your link. So once you've done that, you fill in your email address, your usual types of information here, tick the terms and conditions, and you can register for free. Now the cool thing about Digistore24 is they pay by PayPal. You can use it in pretty much every country. So it's very easy to kind of get started with. The disadvantage of Digistore24, and I'll be completely honest with you, there's not that many products on here in relation to somewhere like Clickbank. But Clickbank you can't use in every single country. So, you know, there's kind of back and forth with the various sites. So what you need to do here is then go ahead and log in. Once you've logged in, we're going to go over to the marketplace. So I'm over on the marketplace. So essentially the first view you'll see, because I've already got this by sales rank on the sort by, is the most popular products on this particular platform. So you've got some kind of overnight millionaire product here. You've got a herpes thing here, cryptocurrency, some affiliate marketing system here. So lots and lots of different products on here. Just go ahead and search around. These are your niches on the left hand side. Now search around for the products that you want to promote. Now the big things for you to find are how much you're actually going to earn. So kind of pick something from $15 upwards, I would, to make it worth your time to actually go ahead and promote. So look at this average earnings here. The average commission is shown up here, the 92% commission. And you'll also see here that there'll be things like the cancellation rate. Make sure that's not too high. So once you've found something you like, you can go ahead and check out the sales page here. So there you go, you'll end up showing them this video and then they'll sit through that for 10 minutes and then decide whether they want to buy. So that's that particular product. And then you'll see the affiliate support page here, where they'll give you things like email swipes, graphics, that kind of thing. And let's take a look at this one just to show you. And on this particular one, I know you need to sign up here, which I've already done, but you can sign up here and they'll send you various emails with different types of support. They also offer you a training course on this one. So I just come back. What you need to do on this particular platform is just do a little bit of research about the types of products on here, because there's not a great deal of detail about a lot of them. Just make sure that the commission is worth your while actually promoting. So this is obviously a very big commission, but obviously it would be slightly harder to sell because obviously the commission is so high. So, you know, you come along here, this is how you actually pick a product. In this particular video, I want to talk about what types of traffic you can get to your links. So once I've decided what I want to pick, this for instance, this is the link that I would go ahead and use to send people through to purchase this product. Now I can actually go and hide that. I can go to places like Bitly and hide that link. So Bitly is a link shortener, so it looks a lot nicer. But essentially this is the link that I'm going to go ahead and use. So just before we jump over to the various types of traffic you can use, I want to talk about the different types of funnels that you can use to actually bring people through to purchase one of these products. Now, essentially what you would have if you just grabbed that link and started spreading it around the internet, they would be direct linking straight via that link to a sales page. So you have a lead here, wherever they end up seeing that link, they click on the link, they come over to the sales page, they go to the order page, and then potentially they buy. The issues with this particular system is it's kind of very random. It's the way a lot of beginners do this. It's very random, and you only ever get one chance usually for people to actually go through this process and decide whether they're going to buy, because they don't sign up for anything and you don't get any of their details. Now, people could be on a bus, they could be going to work, they could be with their kids, whatever it may be, but people get distracted quite quickly. So this is very difficult to get people to buy something first time. And this is very, very cold traffic. They call it cold traffic because somebody's not expected to be buying something that particular occasion, so they suddenly click a link and they're not likely to get their credit card out and buy it straight away. So the better way to do this is the indirect method. Now this is the indirect method here. What you would have is your various traffic platforms. So you would have blogging, it could be YouTube, and I'll go into these in a little bit more detail. And then you come from those traffic platforms and you actually click the link. Now when they click the link, they go over to an opt-in page. Now on that opt-in page, you could have some kind of free resource to give them. You could have just gather their email address, and then you send various emails to them once they join your autoresponder. So the process is they go ahead and click your opt-in page. They get sent to the sales page, but at the same time, your email goes into their autoresponder, which you then load up with various emails. Now, those emails can be value-based emails, tips and tricks, direct promotions to them. There could be lots of different ways that you can use those emails, but the important thing is to collect that information so that you can market to them at a later date. So again, they go into your autoresponder. Meanwhile, they're also going off to the sales page. If they decide to buy, they go to the order page and they purchase. If they don't, you could then start to promote things to them via email. So you would usually send a number of follow-up emails to them, and then they'll kind of get reminded of that product they saw when maybe they're on the bus or whatever, and they'll come back and they can click back through to the sales page, and then there's a second chance for you to actually get that sale. This is a very, very good way to do affiliate marketing. So we've talked about Digistore24, we talked about the various types of funnel. Now I'm going to give you the various traffic options. Now, you can go ahead and start using these straight away, right? Now there's various ways that you can do this. You can actually have paid options to do these various traffic options, or you can go ahead and start them for free. So I've given you a lot of resources here that you can start for free, especially if you're a beginner, and then start building up your content and then maybe move over to paid versions of these. So let's go through the various options. The first one is blogging. So you can actually write articles, keyword-rich articles that people are interested in, and then they click your links within those particular articles. So you can have like regular posts on your particular blog, or you can do guest posts on other people's blogs. It's all very powerful. Now the free resources you can use for this are actually resources like Wix, WordPress, Weebly, Medium, Blogger, Ghost, Tumblr. These are all sites that you can go to straight away and start writing articles in. Join completely for free, and you can start using them for free today and then start promoting your links. So it's really, really powerful way to actually go ahead and start with your blogging. So the second thing you could do is social media. So we're all on social media. It's a great place to actually get to know people and offer them various things, but you've got to do it in the right way. So you need to create eye-catching viral content that you can send out. You need to post consistently, and you need to build a following on those particular types of social media. So I've done lots of different videos. If you want to look at my various videos of how to drive traffic from various types of social media, the latest one was actually TikTok. But this is a great way for you to actually get an audience and start selling things to them. So you can post things, you have pins, you have images, you have videos, you have GIFs, you have photos, you actually have funny dances, whatever you want to do. But social media is a really good way to get traffic back to your particular offers. Now, you can use Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn bio. Now, I mentioned LinkedIn bio there because there's a great way that you can get a link in your particular bio in your social media that actually takes people to various different offers and various different pages. Now, that's a site called LinkedIn Bio. So if you want to use social media, definitely check that out as well, to kind of use that as an add-on. Now, you can use TikTok, Snapchat, Pinterest, Reddit. Lots of ways that you can do this, but I would only ever concentrate on one when you're starting out. Don't confuse yourself by having lots of different content going in different ways. Concentrate on one and then build up a second one that you can start to complement in that particular social media site, right? So social media is great. but use it in a very, very careful way so you're not spamming people, you're actually joining in the conversation, and then you're just recommending things. So next thing is video marketing, and this is one that I really like using. So you can create value-based videos around your particular niche or product, and there could be videos like this one, there could be slideshows, there could be screen sharing, there could be demos, reviews, lots of different ways that you can promote things. Now the great thing about video marketing is you don't actually have to be on the screen, right? You can just set up a PowerPoint like I'm doing here and just chat over that PowerPoint. So you can use free resources like Metacafe, Vimeo, Break, Dailymotion, LiveLeak, Twitch, YouTube itself, this is on YouTube obviously. And you can use those videos to actually give people some value before they go ahead and click your links in your descriptions and go ahead and purchase your particular offers, right? So video marketing is extremely powerful. So another option, and it's kind of been around forever, is article marketing. So you can still build articles and post them in all of these different locations around your niche that people will still go ahead and read and click on links. Now, these articles could be things like opinion-based, it could be tips and tricks, how-to guides, trends. They're not as big as they used to be, these article marketing sites, but they're still really relevant if you want to go ahead and post content to them. So you see all the resources there: Ezine Articles, Squidoo, Article Alley, Hubpages, Go Articles, Articlebase, Isnare, lots of different places you can go. Go and check them out. There's still thousands and thousands of people that go on these sites every day and want to just pick up bits of information. And it's a good way to drive traffic back to whatever kind of product or service that you want to promote. So it's really, really good way of doing it. So another thing you can do, which is very effective, is go on sites like Quora and actually answer people's questions. So you provide them value, and by providing them value, you could also link back to your product or service, or back to your blog, or back to your YouTube channel, and actually show them information that they'll find useful, and then they potentially can purchase off you. So you need to write articles, you make videos, you can give away information. You get this all off the internet. So it's really interesting that people will actually go onto these sites and ask a question that's already on Google. The answer is usually on Google already. So all you need to do is go and compile that answer them in the various sites, and you can go ahead and drive people back to whatever offer you have. So you go to places like Quora, Yahoo Questions, you can go on forums, you can go in Facebook groups, Answerbag, WikiAnswers, Blurt. All of these sites have people that want to find various things out, and you could be there to provide that information. Next up is email marketing. So the approach is just get people on the list like I talked to you about in the funnels, and you write interesting email series to them, and you add your links to the email body and the signature, and folks will click on those links back to whatever offers that you have. So they need to be value based. They could be things like product reviews, tips and tricks, and once people get to know you, they're much more likely to actually go ahead and click your link. So you can use sites like GetResponse, Mailerlite, Moosend, SendPulse, SendInBlue, Benchmark. All of these sites will allow you to start for free, and then once you have a certain amount of subscribers, you'll get charged. But by that time, you'll start making commissions, so it'll be worth the actual paying of those particular fees. Now, another one is ad coupons. Now, it's slightly different because ad coupons is really a paid service, so they'll allow you to start for free. Usually when you go on things like Google Ads, they'll give you $75 worth of free vouchers to sign up with, and you can go ahead and get some free advertising on their platform. Now, it's very powerful because Google Ads are very, very popular. So you can do things like text ads, image ads, you can boost posts if you use things like Facebook, and you will get a lot of people coming to your particular service. Now, you can use Google AdWords, Yahoo, Bing ads, Facebook ads, TikTok ads. There's lots of different ways that you can do this. But there's a word of warning here. If you're new, I would kind of keep away from this method until you really understand how to do affiliate marketing and how the business works. And only then you can go ahead and start using services like this that allow you to do a little bit of paid advertising. Now, on this bonus method, now this can be used in conjunction with all of the other traffic methods I showed you. If you remember the funnel, when people actually opt in, it's sometimes good to give them something for free to get them to opt into your particular list. So you develop a bonus around whatever that product or service is that you want to go ahead and promote. Now, on some of the affiliate sites, they actually give you things to give away, and they're called lead magnets. So if you have a lead magnet, this is the thing that you can give them with your particular affiliate links inside the lead magnet. So you can create your own product, or you can actually get one for the affiliate directly, and you embed that link and you give that product away. So it could be an ebook, it could be a mind map, it could be a cheat sheet, checklists, video courses. There's lots of different ways that you can do this, but you're essentially giving them something. Better you make it yourself, but essentially you're giving them something for free that then they then think, well, I'm going to give them my email address to get that. Now, where you can actually go ahead and make these are sites like Squiggle, Beacon, Canva, Designrr. There's lots of different places out there. Some of these are paid services, but there's lots of different places you can go ahead and actually create ebooks. If you don't want to go ahead and create one, just go to a PLR site and you can get some PLR, which is material that you can actually go ahead and change and use that as your base and then recreate something. So lead magnets you can do in conjunction with any of these other traffic sources I told you about, and it's a very, very effective way for actually getting people to join your lists. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope that was useful. Just a few ideas over the types of traffic that you can go ahead and use in your particular offers. I have much more information. If you go ahead and check out my channel, there's lots of videos there that explain this in a lot more detail. But if you haven't been over to this channel before, go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release videos just like this one. And guys, if you're interested in starting a business online, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. Until next time guys, take care.